In this highlights video, we'll be using the customers collection to learn how to query in MongoDB using Studio 3T. To begin, go to the collection tree and right-click the customers collection. Then choose Open SQL. You can alternatively open it by clicking the SQL button in the global toolbar with the customers collection selected. A new SQL tab will open. Next, we'll create our query. Let's delete what we have here and type or paste the following. We're selecting the title, first name, last name, number of transactions they've made, and from their address, we'll add city and state. And we'll be getting this from the customers collection. Next, execute the command by clicking the Run button. In the Results tab, we now get a table view of our query data. It includes the title, first and last names, transactions, and the two embedded address fields. Let's expand the address field by right-clicking it and choosing Show Embedded Fields. Now we can see all the address information as well. But let's make our MongoDB query a little more interesting. Erase the old query in the SQL query command prompt and type or copy the following command. Select address.state, and we're looking to get the average transactions for each state. We're still using the customers collection, and we want to group this by address.state. Execute the command by clicking the Run button. And as you see, we now have the states and their average transactions. But if we wanted to know how many people were in those states, we can expand the query by adding a count operator with a wildcard in the brackets. Click the Run button. And in our Results tab, we have the number of transactions together with the number of people who made those transactions in each state. There should be 50 documents or thereabouts. And we can expand our query even further by adding order by count, an asterisk mark again surrounded by parentheses, and in descending order. Click the Run button to execute the command. And there you have it. We now have the average transactions for each state listed in descending order from the state with the highest number of customers to the least. Studio 3T's SQL query is a fast and effective way of getting results. And it's also a great way to learn Mongo Shell. Just click on the Query Code tab in the Results pane to see the equivalent Mongo Shell code for your SQL query. Also, please see our other highlights videos on getting more from MongoDB with the power of Studio 3T. And one in particular, creating an inner join in MongoDB using SQL query. Thanks for watching and happy querying!